So this country has gotten to this level that nobody is even safe. Even me, Daddy Gio, a man that has different churches, they want to observe me.
You think they wise?
On my head. If not, I'm going for evangelism. I will have dropped this my Bible, remove my tithe, and let them understand that children, of course, suffer fouling, and the fouling is taken by force. Yeah! See people that I won't even take to heaven, no, that I won't even help their life. They want to observe me. Imagine. I will let them understand that I was one like them. But no problem. Hello. Hello. Excuse me.
This man.
Hello.
Are you stupid? Are you mad? Who gave you the audacity to touch me? Are you crazy? Are you mad or something?
70 years
I don't understand how you guys go about touching people anyhow. And look at you, claiming to be a pastor. This is how you go about sleeping with choristers in your church, sleeping with people's wives. And you're calling yourself pastor. See, let me warn you. The next time you try this rubbish with me again, I am going to deal with you. What kind of nonsense is this? Nonsense. Rubbish.
Not be juju be that. They have left you behind.
God, why today be like this? Hey! And you know that I walk at the go.
And they never leave.
Well, I will still go bored. Let me rest more. The slap touch me.
Yes!
Slap touch me.
How far? She that fool no one bring that matter come.
Boy, me self, I know that time waiting this up.
Me no can't change our mind.
No wahala na this na go reason now. Omo, like say get one man we just enter town.
Nah, this guy don't update us now.
Yeah, correct. That means this night we go run things.
No, we go enter. We go enter.
Photo. We just pray.
Lap that.
Hey.
Hey! I say stop there now. It's it.
They follow you toy. They do nonsense, Abi.
This man.
Abi the man.
Photo.
Move an inch. If they burn you, well, move an inch. If I no boss your man, no waiting cause.
It is smoke Igbo. It is taking there.
Hey!
Stop.
And they never leave. Not be juju be that.
Go there.
The man.
Go there.
They have left you.
The man.
Come on. Hey! We just pray. Not be juju be that.
Somebody help me, my phone!
And they never leave. Hey! Photo.
They're collecting my bag, my phone and my passport.
We must learn a lesson.
Wait. You mean they have collected your phone?
Yes, sir.
Your passport?
Yes, sir.
And your money?
Yes.
Hello, see.
How dare you touch me? Are you mad?
Hey!
Let me see you. Let me see.
This is the wise.
Let me see.
Daddy Gio.
This
This way you are dancing on the road like a madman or like person wey win American lottery. I been like, what's up?
Inspector Shagu, my good friend.
Continue.
A lady walked past me, and I was trying to let her know that where she's going is very dangerous.
We must learn a lesson.
Immediately I touched her, she fired me slap. Wow! Hey, well, calling me all sorts of names. Me, Daddy Gio.
70 years old.
I could not alter her weight again. So I let her go. And Aroba now robbed her. She now ran to me for an help.
So, you mean that a lady slapped you?
Wow!
When did you yourself? You don't
Look at this, Daddy. Let me see.
Wow.
Just
My name
pray.
is Inspector Shaki.
Hey!
I'm the only palliative officer in this country.
You think say they wise?
Very soon, I'll become the IG police of this country.
It is smoke Igbo.
Me from head to toe. Igahuna no cook for my shoe,
You be mumu.
my top, all of them is from Thailand.
Photo.
Look at me, I have a great future. And I'm looking for a very beautiful angel like you to partner with me in this future.
If they take India,
I like you. Please, can I have your number?
Inspector Shako, or whatever you call yourself. Are you done with your rubbish? Are you done with your rubbish? What is the meaning of this? See, let me warn you. The next time you try this rubbish again with me, I'll make sure I'll deal with you. Nonsense. Rubbish. Idiot.
Hey,
This man.
Shako,
You think say they
no
wise?
Kofuma. Thailand material. Go lo lo lo, let me see you. Go lo lo lo, Bugao. Let me Bugao. Let me see you. Ishaka.
This one that you are dancing more than me. Do you know how I know?
Daddy Gio. It's a long story.
I know.
Let me see you, Bugao.
70
Daddy
years
Gio,
old.
this girl insulted me to the last.
Wait, she insulted you.
Look at me now.
Not be juju.
This girl. Let me Bugao. Let me see you, the Bugao. Go lo lo lo.
We must learn a lesson.
Bugao. Let me Bugao. Lo 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 lo. Bugao. Let me Bugao. Let me. Let me see you.
But that is true. In this life, it's not good to be rude.